got you ice cream in it, and then never came home.
Ever came home.
Never came home, and then I broke my hand.
That's a beauty. She never came home.
Yeah. My grandma's car, 1984.
How many kids does Lindsay want to have? She wants girls, though. She doesn't want any
I don't want any boys.
I can help with that, by the way.
All right. Next question. When does Lindsay want to start a family?
Nope.
She said 3+ years.
Yeah, so that makes me what?
You saying
31
you
and a
wanted
half.
like no later than 30.
No, I said no earlier than 30.
That's not important. Don't worry, guys.
Yeah.
You already know
Well, what would I throw away of his?
What would you throw? What do you think Lindsay would, what he would throw away?
Yeah, what would I throw away of yours if I had the chance? No, everything that's microfiber.
What?
All of it, all of that micro suede, that ultra suede, the curtain,
Microfiber.
comforter. Yeah.
But it's so easy to
What kind
clean.
of fabric does Lindsay hate? I know this one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Microfiber?
Besides microfiber.
That's made out of it, but it's polyester. So no.
Anything that's polyester she doesn't like.
Those are my favorite shorts.
Okay. If she could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Anyone?
You didn't even, you just like threw a country out there.
I would live in my house because I'm really close there.
All right. What would she do if she won the lottery? What would be the first thing she would do? No, nope. She said invest it. She's not going to buy you a sandwich. And if the house was on fire, what would she say? Besides the cat. She said her grandma's bracelet.
Or the dinosaur my mom made. The one that's in the curio cabinet. Or the broken tail. I would say those.
All right, Larry, you can do it.
No. Did Larry get more than, no, Lindsay got more than
Lindsay
Larry.
got more than
Nice.
Probably
nice.
like times 3.
Hey, it's all about me.
Yeah, it is, it
It's
is.
all about you.
It is. Now we're just going to open up the